Hi and welcome to today's update, the December update from Arch Capital. Lots to talk about today. Now, first and foremost, this year we've seen a massive year in market returns. We're seeing, this is the ASX chart, as we all know, it's actually hit some record highs recently. Global markets have all been strong across the ground. We've had good returns from portfolios in equities, global equities, in fixed interest, even cash returns have been good. So everyone would have been seeing some really nice returns despite a climate of conflict around the world and the uncertainty about the US election. But at the moment, the market, all the data's in the market prices, and the market's telling us that things are pretty good from an investor point of view. Now, when we look at this, of course, our philosophy always talks about we're not trying to time markets, we're not trying to pick stocks. And I like to look back at the start of the year, of course, and go, well, who predicted this market? Now, this is from the 2nd of January in the Financial Review, surging ASX creating overvaluation risks. Now, in that article, we have the top analysts and economists from UBS, Macquarie, JP Morgan, and about sort of 10 others in that article. And all of them predicted a tough year ahead. All of them. And all of them got it wrong. So as we go into this year, everyone starts to say what's going to happen next. We're going to see a lot of these articles again, and unfortunately they don't know. So we go back to the fundamentals, diversification, asset class. No one can predict the future. We're not going to make big changes in portfolios because of what someone says in a newspaper article. So when we look at portfolio returns, and this is just an example, but we're seeing those sort of balanced type 60%, 70% portfolios, even 50% portfolios have had really strong double-digit returns, well in the high teens if people have been investing over the full year. So really pleasing, really nice way to finish the year. A couple of weeks to go before the break. But it's been a good year. If anyone's got any questions, of course, please reach out and we can go through the reports with you. A big team update for those who haven't seen. We've a new team's joined us. We've had Wayne, Christine and Charmaine join us from the Parkside team in Castle Hill. They're now Arch Capital. They're now fully integrated into the Arch Capital team. Really exciting. We've now got 10 in the team, soon to be 11, got another advisor, some news in January to share with you joining us. So it really gives us a lot more I suppose, support, more advisors. We'll have 5 advisors talking to clients. For current clients, nothing changes. Your current relationships really won't change. But I think from a sustainability point of view, a long-term point of view, a lot of growth in industry. We wanted to make sure we had a robust business for the next 10, 20, 30 years, and really exciting times for Arch Capital. For those that have been with us for a long time, it's really fantastic. Your long-term support has helped us get to this stage. I've been running now for 12 years, and this puts us in great stage to be here for the next 10, 20 years. So really exciting times. A big welcome to Wayne, Christine and Charmaine as well. I also went over to the US on a study trip, went over with some other advisors, and we toured around. We met half a dozen US firms, which was fascinating to see what they're doing over there. Went to Dimensional headquarters, attended there a couple of days there, saw their trading rooms. So good to see. We've been using Dimensional now for over 20 years, and it's a fantastic story. Outperformance since 1981. They've never closed a fund, never paid a commission, all those sort of things. But to go there and see how they do it, and the implementation and the degree of science that they put into every little cent, the academics that presented. We had the world's leading academics speaking in person. Fantastic experience, and it just brings back more knowledge to help our clients. Christmas closures as well. We'll do another quick video before Christmas, but just so you know, we will be closed from the 20th until Monday the 6th. During that period, if there are emergencies, you can contact me, you can email me direct. But in advance, if you need anything before the 20th, please reach out and we'll be closing the office like most of Australia over those couple of weeks. So I look forward to speaking to you soon. Thanks so much for listening in, and we will have a little quick video, but of course, if we don't speak to you, have a great time over Christmas and the New Year.